What is up, guys? It's your girl BK back with another 2K18 video. What?
No.
This is my channel.
Oh, but I said on mine. We didn't say we were gonna be doing this on your channel.
What?
No.
This video's going on my channel.
No, you get your little silly head out of here with that video. No, you ain't.
I can just share this video with you, and then you can post it on your channel.
No. That ain't the deal.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
You're not recording that on yours. You get your line.
So then, you want me to go to your channel? Because your channel's on my Google
Can we
thingy.
do this tomorrow?
No, this is going on my channel, and then tomorrow's gonna go on your channel. What is up, guys? So basically, we're gonna hit this button right here, this square button, and let's get started. So 1, 2, shut up. Okay, hit random. I'm hit. Oh, you already did. You got them. What the? Okay, 3, 2. No. Okay, we're not playing 2K today. I guess we're playing this. So guys, instead of playing 2K, since he has a problem with me doing something, we're gonna play Fortnite. Okay, he's not talking. Okay guys, we're gonna play Fortnite. I mean NBA 2K18 now since he's not talking crap no more. No. I did this before, so shut up. And guys, this is going on my channel. Did you even know? I'm not gonna be paying attention to this stupid.
First of all, why won't you just start on the video? Nobody want to hear us arguing over no damn video.
I can just skip it. I know how to edit it. See, now I'm gonna skip it when the video's over. I'm gonna skip it to right here. Okay, guys, what is up?
No, we're not. Don't.
This is going on my channel.
Stop saying what's up.
Okay, so we're gonna hit it. All right, go. Put your controller down. Let's see what team I get. Guys, this can't be, bruh. Let's get the bay. Oh, my hands was right here, and I was like, bruh, you always say that when I get a good team. Alright. The game's about to start. It's not. I'm playing as Golden State, and my brother's playing as Houston. Y'all saw that. My bad, guys. Wait, I don't want to do 12 or 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, I have to sit like this. I'm not doing this. I quit. I quit. I'm better at doing because I'm better at sitting at the TV up close.
They can tell it's in between your legs.
Oh, duh. What do you think? Fine, we're gonna try to do it. You can do it. So sorry. So sorry, guys, that it's blurry now. It's my brother's choice, so you have to deal with it. Dude, it's so bright, you can't even see crap. You can't see it. Because I need the views.
Do it tomorrow.
I'm not going to deal with it like this. Sorry, guys, we have difficulty. We have difficulty.
Yeah, you got to position it between your legs. You know that's correct.
Let's go. We just dunked on them. Now look, it's better quality now.
You looking at the thing out there the whole time.
He got excellent. Guys, I might end this video at the end of second quarter. Because this is like a 12-minute game. Which is I might quit because I don't want to play a 12-minute. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm not playing. I'm not playing a 12-minute game. Because I don't... Wait, what the heck? I meant to quit. I'm not playing a 12-minute game. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will do another one tomorrow, like my brother said. I'm not doing this team. Cause you click too much stuff. Anyways, guys, see you. I'm